Welcome to the Activate and View Your Child's NYC Scholarship Account video. NYC Kids Rise is so excited to be welcoming new families to the Save for College program and to be working with school communities throughout almost every neighborhood. In today's video, we'll talk about an overview of NYC Kids Rise and the Save for College program. We'll talk next about your Save for College program journey, and then how to activate your child's NYC Scholarship Account. We'll complete today's video by going over next steps and resources to support you as you continue in your Save for College program journey. Let's get started with the overview of NYC Kids Rise and the Save for College program. So what is the NYC Kids Rise Save for College program? The Save for College program is both a scholarship and a savings program that brings schools, families, and communities across the city together to invest in and save for your child's college and career training. Our organization, NYC Kids Rise, manages the Save for College program in partnership with the New York City Public Schools and the City of New York. This school year, every kindergarten, first, second, third, and fourth grade student enrolled in a New York City public school, including participating charter schools, is eligible to participate, no matter their family income or immigration status. The program is also available to K through 5th grade families in public and charter schools located in School District 30, since that's where the program was piloted starting in 2017. You may be asking, why was the Save for College program created? The Save for College program was created to help families start saving and planning for college and career training right from the beginning of your child's school journey. Studies show that children with even a small savings account of $1 to $500 are 3 times more likely to enroll in college and more than 4 times more likely to graduate. This program is designed to help make that dream a reality for your child. Every eligible child automatically receives an NYC Scholarship Account with $100. You have the option to not participate in the program if you choose. I'll go over this at a later point in today's video. Local businesses, organizations, and community members can also add money to students' NYC scholarship accounts through something called community scholarships. Now let's look at the NYC scholarship account in detail. Through the Save for College program, every kindergarten, first, second, third, and fourth grader automatically receives the NYC Scholarship Account invested in an NY 529 Direct Plan account with an initial $100, unless their family chooses not to participate. Parents can activate using their child's zip code, date of birth, and student ID number. The NYC Scholarship Account is owned by NYC Kids Rise on behalf of your child. The NYC Scholarship Account is also where contributions from your community will be allocated. We refer to these contributions as community scholarships. This account is also where any building block rewards your family earns will be allocated. It's important to know that you cannot add money to your child's NYC Scholarship Account, and money in this account can only be used for your child for their college or career training expenses. If you do wish to save money on your own alongside the Save for College program account, you can open and connect a separate college and career savings account that you own for the benefit of your child. Saving money on your own is not required to receive the free NYC scholarship account. We'll talk about this more later in today's video. The $100 in the NYC scholarship account, along with any rewards, is invested in an NY 529 Direct Plan account, and you can earn up to an additional $175 in rewards from NYC Kids Rise by taking advantage of early steps in the program and beginning to save on your own. Let's continue with more frequently asked questions that families have. So what can money in the NYC Scholarship Account be used for? Your child can use the money in this account when they're graduating from high school for college and career training costs. This can be costs like tuition, fees, equipment, some room and board, and textbooks, things that other scholarships might not cover. The account can also be used at eligible institutions, including 4-year colleges and universities in New York, like SUNY and CUNY, but it can also be used across the country and outside the country. It can also be used at 2-year community colleges and career or vocational training programs like culinary school or beauty school. Another common question families have is if having an NYC scholarship account will affect their ability to qualify for public benefits or financial aid. Since NYC Kids Rise owns and manages the Save for College program and the NYC Scholarship Account on behalf of your child, you do not need to report it. Having an NYC Scholarship Account with money in it won't affect your family's current or future public benefits or your child's eligibility for financial aid in the future. Another common question is how does immigration status impact your child's ability to participate? All eligible students can participate in the Safer College program, no matter their immigration status. Immigration status does not affect your child's ability to participate. Families don't need to provide a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, also known as an ITIN, for their child to receive an NYC scholarship account. Now that we've gone over what the Safer College program is, let's talk about what your Safer College program journey may look like. Today, we're focusing on building block 1, which is when you activate and view your child's NYC scholarship account. When you complete this step, your child will receive $25 in their scholarship account. So, what happens once you're done with this step? After you activate and view your child's NYC scholarship account, you will continue to receive information and support from NYC Kids Rise on how to open your own separate family savings account so you can begin to save for your child in a way that makes sense for you. The Safer College program has the family savings account as an optional account that families can open where they can make deposits of their own. Through Building Block 2, we encourage all families to choose an account that will help them begin saving in ways that make sense for their financial circumstances and to earn the $25 reward that will also go into their child's NYC scholarship account. Families can choose between opening their own amalgamated Safer College bank account or opening an NY529 direct plan account. Once you've set up your own account, you can complete building block 3 by saving at least $5 in your own family savings account. Remember that saving in small amounts can make a huge difference. Finally, NYC Kids Rise will do a one-time savings match of up to $100 starting in first grade for the next $100 that you save. All these funds will be added to your child's NYC scholarship account to support their future college and career dreams. Now let's talk about activating and viewing your child's NYC scholarship account. This is our building block 1 checklist. I'm going to guide you through all of the steps today to activate your account, but I first want to remind everyone of what they'll need. In order to activate your child's account, you'll need to have your child's student ID number or OSIS number. You'll also need their date of birth and the zip code that your school has on file for you. If you need help locating your child's student ID number or OSIS number, please know that you can find it by going to your NYC Schools account if you attend an NYC public district school. You can also find it on your child's report card, or you can call your school and ask them for this number. Now that we've covered what you'll need to activate your child's account, let's begin by going to nyckidsrise.org so we can walk through how to activate your child's account. On our website, you'll see an Activate Account button at the top. You can also translate our website into your preferred language by clicking on this pink drop-down menu in the right-hand corner. When you click on the menu, you'll see a list of other languages that you can select. Once you're in your preferred language, go ahead and click on Activate Account. Once you click on Activate Account, you'll be taken to our Building Block 1 page. We'll scroll down here and hit Activate Account again. Then you'll be taken to Savings Tracker, which is our platform where you can view your child's NYC Scholarship account. And here you'll get the opportunity to enter your child's home zip code, date of birth, and your child's 9-digit student ID number. Take a moment to do that now. Once that's entered, make sure to verify that the information is correct and matches the information that your child has on file with your school. Then you can hit Submit. On the next page, you'll be able to make your new profile by entering your name, your last name, and your email address. Then you'll create a password. This is the password you'll use to log into your child's account in the future. Make sure to use at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. You'll need to enter that same password again to verify and confirm that you've entered it correctly. If you have any trouble, you can click on this eye icon in order to see what you've typed. After entering and creating your new password and verifying that new password by entering it again, you can review our terms of use by clicking on the pink terms of use words, and then accept those terms of use to continue with completing the activation. You'll hit Create User Profile when you're ready. Once you've created your user profile, you'll be taken into your child's NYC Scholarship account, and you'll see a Building Block 1 survey. Take a moment to review the questions here. All the questions are optional, but if there's any that you're comfortable with answering, we'd appreciate having that information. You can enter any questions that you're comfortable with answering, and then hit Submit. Once you've completed the Building Block 1 survey, you're done with the activation, and you'll be able to see your child's NYC Scholarship account on your Savings Tracker homepage. When you scroll down, you'll see a graph of your child's account that looks something like this, where you can see the initial $100 allocation, and because the accounts are invested in the financial market through the NY529 Direct Plan account, you'll see that they may fluctuate in value from time to time. If you want to see the list of transactions that your child's NYC Scholarship account has received, you can click on the Scholarship Account tab here. 1 week or so after activating your child's account, you'll be able to see the first $25 reward that you earned by activating your child's account. If you scroll further down on Savings Tracker, you'll see additional building block reward information that can help you continue in your Save for College program journey. Great. That's how you activate your child's NYC Scholarship account. I hope you were able to activate your child's NYC Scholarship account, but if you ran into any trouble, here are some common reasons you might be experiencing an error message. You may have the wrong zip code, or if you recently moved, your school may have the wrong zip code on file and have your old zip code. You can check in with your school's parent coordinator and update this information in order for us to get an updated information and updated zip code for you. We may also not have the correct date of birth for your child. Check with your school or your school's parent coordinator to ensure that your child's correct date of birth is listed. You can also double check that the OSIS number or student ID number that you typed is correct. It should be a 9-digit number. If your child attends a charter school, They will also have an OSIS number that you can ask for with your parent liaison or a parent coordinator at your school. Finally, if your child started school after the opt out period, they might not have an account created for them. If you have any questions about the error message that you received, you can reach out to us. I'll share our hotline information in just a few moments. We're all set with activating the account, so let's go over our next steps and resources. If you have any questions that came out through our presentation today, you can always reach out to us with those questions. You can learn more about your savings account options on our website or call our hotline to schedule an appointment with our team. You can also reach out directly to Amalgamated Bank for any questions in regards to the Amalgamated Bank Save for College program account, or you can visit nysaves.org or call their hotline number for more information on 529 accounts. You can continue with your Save for College program journey by completing your other building blocks by reaching out to our team through our info email or our hotline, or by making a free financial appointment with the local financial empowerment centers by visiting the NYC Office of Financial Empowerment at nyc.gov/talkmoney or by calling 311. For resources on making your first deposit, you can also visit our website. Once again, here's our contact information. You can visit our website, nyckidsrise.org, for more information. You can call our hotline at 833-543-7473. We're available Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 p.m. And on Thursdays, we're available until 8 p.m. And you can always email us at info@nyckidsrise.org for any additional support. Thank you all so much for watching today's Activate and View Your Child's NYC Scholarship Account video. Have a good rest of your day.